SmartWings Smart Blinds review: quiet, durable, and flexible. But setup requires patience. SmartWings Smart Blinds combine automation, style, and whisper quiet performance with broad compatibility across Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. They offer customizable motor options like Zigbee and Matter over Thread, making them versatile and durable. However, setup is more complex than average, and the absence of a dedicated app may challenge beginners. Two SmartWings blinds were tested over several months in one room: Window 1, 35 inches by 47 inches, and Window 2, 30.5 inches by 47 inches, to assess build quality, noise, and smart home compatibility. SmartWings' precise online measuring guide ensured both blinds arrived in exact dimensions and fit perfectly within the frames. SmartWings blinds combine premium build quality, quiet motor performance, and versatile design options like blackout, light filtering, and solar fabrics. They charge via USB-C, lasting 4 to 6 months per charge, with an optional solar panel for easy upkeep. The only drawback is the lack of an app to track battery levels. Installing SmartWings blinds is simple, but automation setup requires patience due to unclear manuals. While there's no dedicated app, integration with major ecosystems ensures smooth automation and reliable voice control once configured. SmartWings Smart Blinds start around $169.99 for basic light filtering models, with premium options like blackout zebra or outdoor shades ranging from $179.99 to $209.99 plus. Larger windows, advanced motors, and accessories can push prices to $400 or more. Since each set is custom built, the final cost depends on window size, fabric, shade style, motor type, and add-ons like solar panels or remotes.
Go to GearBrain for more information.